Five little frogs jumping on the log. One fell off and landed in the bog. Mama frog said, be careful, you see. Now there are four little frogs, yippee! Four little frogs jumping all around. One slipped off and tumbled down. Mama frog said, not too wild. Now there are three little frogs so mild. Three little frogs hopping by the tree. One leaped off and said, whee! Mama frog called, hop back please. Now there are two little frogs with knees. Two little frogs bouncing in the sun. One went splash, oh what fun! Mama frog said, stay nearby. Now there's one little frog saying hi. One little frog jumping on the ground. He bounced too high and spun around. Mama frog smiled, come back to me. Now all five frogs are as happy as can be. Ooh. Jump, jump little frogs. Jump and splash and sing your song. Jump, jump little frogs. Happy frogs all day